Introducing the Hymns and Spirituals for Guitar Collection, specially curated to bring joy and upliftment to any setting, from the classroom to the stage. This thoughtfully selected collection features songs chosen for their appropriateness, their inherent beauty, and their powerful lyrics, all designed to help you unlock God's love through the universal language of music. Inside, you'll discover beloved favorites like the simple joy of God is So Good, the spirited energy of When the Saints Go Marching In, the profound grace of Amazing Grace, and so many more cherished melodies. Whether you're providing musical accompaniment for worship services, adding a special touch to recitals, or simply seeking to enrich your own musical journey, Hymns and Spirituals for Guitar is the perfect companion.